Alright, so we're going to compare the graph of the following function. So g of x equals 3x squared plus 9 with the graph of our parent function. So first we're going to try by graphing. So I'm going to first find my axis of symmetry. So x equals negative b. We don't have b value, so it's 0. Over 2a, which is 3. That'll equal 0. And so we plug that back in to find our vertex. So 3, 0 squared, plus 9. Well, 0 squared is 0 times 3 is 0. Plus 9 equals 9. So our vertex is 0, 9. So our graph is a little small here, so I'm going to skip by going 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, right in the middle here. So I'm counting by 2's. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 kind of thing. I'm going to erase that so we have room to graph. Okay. And now I'm going to just start finding other points. So I'm going to go to the left of that point and to the right. So I'm going to try plugging in maybe a 4 and see what happens. So if I plug in 4 for x here, so 3, 4, or actually I'm going to make a table of values instead. Use this color. X, Y, so I had 0, 9. So now I'm going to choose 2 others on each side. So I'm going to choose maybe 4 and 6, or negative 4 and negative 6, and positive 4 and positive 6. So if I put negative 6 into my function, negative 6 squared is 36 times 3. Oh, it's a really big number, so I don't even want to graph that one. So I'm going to choose different numbers. So this is going to grow really fast. So let's try Let's try 2 and 4 for this one. So maybe 2, or 2 and 3, how about, and negative 2, negative 3. So negative 3 squared is 9, times 3 is 27, plus 3 would give us 36. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 9 would be 21. Same thing with these ones. So then, negative 2, 21 would be somewhere up here. And negative 3, 36 would be somewhere up here. Same thing with these points. So our graph is very narrow looking. And it is translated up 9 units. So narrower and translated up 9 units. Okay. So if we wanted to check that, maybe we didn't feel confident in our graphing, we could always do it another way too. So we could always do it a different way by just using what we know mathematically. So mathematically we can check it. So we're going to look for our a value here. So our a value is 3, and our absolute value of 3 is 3. And that is greater than 1. So greater than 1. So we know that it's going to be narrower than the graph. So narrower. And now we can check our C value. So C is equal to 9. So in fact it is translated up 9 units. So either way works. Mathematically it's a little faster, so like this is the faster way, graphing, but also shows you a visual too of it.